Andy Helrich has been confined to a wheelchair for 5 years. He vividly remembers the day he walked into a chiropractor's office and never walked again.
And then after they manipulated my neck, I took 4 steps away from the adjustable table, and then I sat down in the chair.
His C5 and C6 vertebrae were broken.
As of today, I have no feeling from the chest down, from the chest to the toes.
2 years after his injury, a team of researchers at Washington University's School of Medicine performed a nerve transfer on Andy's left hand to give him more movement.
A nerve transfer is rerouting less critical function to an area of more critical function.
Typically taking nerves from larger muscles like the biceps or elbow and tricep flexors. Surgeons attach the nerve from above the site of injury to nerves below the site of injury that connect to muscles in the hands and arms.
With a spinal cord injury, effectively there's a conduction block. At that area of injury, the signals are no longer getting through there, but it doesn't mean the muscles and nerves aren't still connected to the spinal cord, and that's what we're taking advantage of.
I have a better range of motion in the hand, and I can open it up. If you see this hand, I can go like this and close it. And if you look at this hand, I can only do about this much.
And with time and more therapy, Andy hopes he'll see even more improvement. I'm Marty Salt reporting.